Richard Lanukaiwa from Schoolboy High School. And I started vetting this model, that is the youth-led climate smart irrigation system for smallholder farmers since I can remember since March. I started in March 2026 this year, right? And my vision as young drivers of economic growth for sustainable development, I have noticed that our country and our planet at large is facing critical challenges like climate change. So I invented this pivot, which use solar energy or green fuels so as to protect our planet. And as sustainable development goal number 7 once stated, clean and affordable energy. It is our role. It is our role as young drivers to drive change. We want to protect our planet. That is my pivot is made up of seven propellers, which are responsible for spreading water to the environment. That is, and the next thing, one motor which is responsible, which facilitates the movement of the pivot. And 50-watt solar, which costs about $30, and a 12-volt battery. This is engineering line say. I'm saying I invented a 2 square meter so that I can test my ideas, because there's no way my parents can risk $500 to do this. But I decided to test first, so I have now tested. I have scaled it, so now I can actually do it. These are wires, so I can use frames, I can use pipes, I can actually do it. I'm waiting for those people. We are the change makers. We are the change makers who have been waiting, so we can actually do it. Let's say if they're given people who come to support me, I'm waiting for those people. Why? Remember, gone are the days when we used to see those people in wise farms, so we can actually do it. Remember, agriculture is the backbone of our nation. So what are we saying, ladies and gentlemen? We are saying we want this to be done by us. We can actually do it. What are we saying, ladies and gentlemen? We want to use solar energy, green fuels, so that we won't distract our planet. We will be using solar energy. Right now I'm inventing a smaller wind powered a smaller wind motor, which is responsible for generating electricity. So what am I saying? I'm going to use clean fuels so that we can clean energy, so that we can embrace this. My wish is to partner with businessmen, the most businessmen in Zimbabwe.